Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about where as a freelancer you get ton of opportunities and you can avail it for free. You can network with people, you can learn from various people about your core skill. This is the first video of our playlist on LinkedIn Masterclass. So we have to going to discuss about LinkedIn. Join to the LinkedIn and what better optimizable. How can you make content which help to the people and what's the benefit from it to you. So first one is should join to LinkedIn because from LinkedIn you get access to the world's best people's network. Majority of people who are doing well in their life are mostly exist on LinkedIn or Twitter, so you can get benefited from it. You can start to connect with it. And if you are a college student, then you can get leverage your student recognition, means you can connect with them and ask for an opportunity or ask for any call or suggestion with them. You can make a deeper connection with them. LinkedIn is the one of the best platform to join as a professional, and most of professional people are exist on LinkedIn, so you should join to the LinkedIn. It will definitely help. Second thing, how to optimize LinkedIn profile and how to create a content which will help. First of all, whenever you create a LinkedIn profile, you have to take three things to make your profile very optimizable. First one is always make a profile picture which is a forehead picture. It's only about mainly focused on your face. You cannot put a photo like or some random photo from things don't work on LinkedIn, and it will make a really bad impression on the people, and they felt you are not aware about how to connect with people professionally. So make a forehead photo so people can see you and they will remember you, and also connect with. Second thing is LinkedIn banner. LinkedIn banner is also a best way to showcase your thoughts or your message conveying ability, or like this, what are you interested in, what's your thoughts, that kind of stuff. So it will definitely help to you. Proper punctuable headline, you felt more connected, and someone is a software developer in a modern technology, then he just put his banner. It's a mon on like a software developer related thing or something code which is fascinated towards the web development. It's kind of stuff which should create impact on other person's mind. It will definitely help. And the third thing is a headline. Whenever you visit any LinkedIn profile, then you always see the headline which is present in the LinkedIn profile. That is the best way to showcase your skills to the other person, your achievements, your skills, and various things which you have done in the past. Suppose anyone is a content creator with web development and knowing also other technologies, then he can write there video creator, YouTuber, web developer, non-technology developer, and various other things. So your headline will certainly tells other person what are you doing and what is your past achievement. It's you have to make a proper, so which will help you to create a good LinkedIn profile. What is the benefit and what content I should generate? The main benefit to join LinkedIn is you can network, connect with people, and you can access to the world, tons of opportunity from it, and you build an in-person connection which will help. You should ideally post your content which is in line with your values, your learnings, and what you have learned in that time, or your opinion. Let's suppose you are a video editor, you learn something different in DaVinci or Adobe Premiere Pro, any shortcut key or any podcast you watch, you can share that one. Hey, I am watch this podcast. I felt this value, and it will help me. I felt it will definitely help. So you can also doing that. You can share your learning. You can basically you have to share what the value are they have got, paying attention to anyone without getting any values or any help. Make sure they also get the value from it, and it will definitely help you get the value from this video. And if you get the value from this video, you can like this video, you can share this video with your friend, and he get the more value, because LinkedIn is the most professional platform, and as early you join and explore it, it will more help you